Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious jalapeno cheese bites. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 12 fresh jalapenos, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Also, prepare 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, leading to perfect bites every time. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the jalapenos. Carefully slice each of the 12 jalapenos in half lengthwise. Using a small spoon, meticulously remove all the seeds and the white membrane from inside each half. This significantly reduces the heat. Remember to wear gloves to protect your hands from the capsaicin. For an even milder flavor, you can blanch the jalapeno halves in boiling water for about 1 minute. Then immediately cool them in ice water. Next, we'll create the creamy filling and prepare for breading. In a bowl, combine the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese with the 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, adding a pinch of salt and pepper. Spoon about 1 tablespoon of this mixture into each jalapeno half. Set up a breading station with 3 shallow dishes, one with the 1/2 cup of flour, one with the 2 beaten eggs, and one with the 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Dip each filled jalapeno first in flour, then egg, then breadcrumbs, ensuring full coverage. Finally, it's time to fry these delicious bites. In a deep pot, heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few breaded jalapeno bites into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Remove them with a slotted spoon and drain any excess oil on a paper towel-lined plate. Serve these warm, cheesy bites immediately with your favorite dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.